But isn't he merciful? Sri Ramakrishna says, he is your own person, surely he is merciful. But this is what we say. God is merciful, gracious, these are his divinity. When I think about these divinity, I put up a wall between him and me. A true devotee is not concerned about the divinity of God. He loves God as his own. His attitude is, love, so love. Don't know why love. Sri Ramakrishna means that he is your own person. Our emphasis on him. You can even say to your own people, Dibi shala. Don't give it to me, brother-in-law. All that is needed is to believe that he is yours. Sri Ramakrishna says, living beings think of God but do not believe in God. Forget again. Addicted to the world. For example, when this elephant is bathed, it gets dusty and muddy again. Sri Ramakrishna has a saying, drop the anchor and the boat's big baithā, paddle for rowing a boat which is tied to drive the boat. The sailors arrive at a place at night and drop anchor. Rise in the morning to let go of the boat but forget to raise the anchor. So the boat is still standing still. This is drop the anchor and the boat's big baithā, paddle for rowing a boat which is tied to drive the boat. That is, I have kept my mind attached to the world while I am chanting the Mälä. I am chanting the Mälä but I have other thoughts in my mind. I am reading the scriptures thinking selfishly. Mind is everything. If my mind does not turn towards God, if I do not remember him, then everything is in vain. Saying, if Sansära attachment is inside, it is seen at the time of death. If one cannot remember God throughout life, then even at the time of death one will remember only the world. Sri Ramakrishna says, sometimes it is seen that at the time of death, Tējapätä Pämcaphōrana shouts these things. This happens when family attachment is strong. Sri Ramakrishna says, what we think at the time of death, we become again in the next life.